Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what do you need to do to bring more money into your life? And the Two of Pentacles came through and it's all about balance. You need to balance your life. So to bring more money in and attract more money in, there needs to be a balance in your life, a balance of work and play and relaxed time. It can't just be all about working all the time. Because you see, there's a part of you that has a receiving energy, right? And if you're doing all the time, right, you are pushing hard. You are in your masculine energy, okay? And so there's a part of you that needs to be in your feminine as well. So that masculine and feminine needs to be balanced. So it's all about, having that giving and receiving balanced, okay? And so when you are in the receiving place, when you're playing or relaxing, that also brings in money. It's not just about the doing side, the pushing, the striving, the working, all of that. Actually, when you are relaxing and playing, you can receive, the universe can give you money as well because you're in that receiving energy, if that makes sense. And this card's indicating that to do that, you need a balance in life. Not too much work, not too much play, not too much relaxing, just all really balanced in all of that, So let me know if this resonates and let me know if you're feeling a little unbalanced at the moment in regards to money. If you're pushing too hard to try and bring in more and make more and all that kind of thing. Because just quickly as well, when you're in the receiving part of money as well, new ideas could spring to mind, new ideas of how you could make more money without having to work for it, or new ideas, new projects, things like that when you're in that receiving place. It's like when you're in meditation, you go into that receiver energy. So, you could have a massive idea that brings in a lot of money when you're in that receiving energy. So, yeah, let me know if this resonates. Let me know if you are feeling unbalanced. Make sure you like it so I know to bring more to you. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified of the upcoming readings and videos that I do. And let me know today, what are you calling in? Let me know in the comments, what kind of money do you want to make? I want to know. See ya.